History is biased. It only remembers the ones जो सबसे आगे खड़े थे.
लेकिन भूलना मत दोस्त, हीरो सिर्फ वो नहीं जो दुश्मनों को पीटे और लड़की का दिल जीते.
उस स्टोरी के वो भाई, वो माँ, वो बचपन के बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स भी हीरो से कम नहीं.
और उनके बिना सच कहूँ तो वो कहानी अधूरी है.
अभी की जनरेशन शायद भूल गई हो कि हमने 90s में क्या काम किया था. ये सारे वर्ड्स आज के जमाने के हैं. डिप्रेशन, आप लोगों ने तो मालूम भी नहीं होती उसको डिप्रेशन है.
जैसे रणवीर सिंह का हम काफी सुनते हैं मेथड एक्टिंग का, तो उन्होंने लिटरली खुद को रूम में बंद किया.
At 53, if I'm comparing myself to a 23-year-old, I'm never going to reach there. मुझे नहीं देखना मेरा भाजी वाला क्या कर रहा है, मेरा मालिश वाला क्या कर रहा है. I want to see the real stars. I want to see celebrities.
I've seen this a lot, and Vikrant Massey and Lakshya has also pointed it out that it's a very bold decision to leave TV industry.
Jaya ji, Jaya Bachchan, there was Saif, there was Preeti, there was Shah Rukh. And in that, I'm telling Nikhil Advani कि मेरी तो Yes Boss की dates हैं and they're clashing.
Hello and welcome everybody on the Y-axis. Today we have with us our beloved Sweetu. Okay, so आप देखिए हमसे पहली वाली जनरेशन की तो रॉकस्टार है ही, बट इस जनरेशन में ना एक दिस we are standing at a weird place where we really admire you, we love your work, and all of us are like, oh, I've seen her somewhere. But a lot of people did not like. वो जो एक एक्टर का सफ़र होता है ना कि टू बिकम अ हाउस होल्ड फेस एंड देन टू बिकम अ हाउस होल्ड नेम, वो कितना लंबा होता है. एक चेहरे से पहचान और एक नाम से पहचान का अंतर क्या है?
पहले तो शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी हियर ऑन योर पॉडकास्ट. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर, प्रथा एंड प्रिंसी. दूसरी चीज़ मेरी ऑडियंस को बताना चाहती हूँ कि आई यूजुअली डोंट डू दिस, बट मेरी आँख में थोड़ा इन्फेक्शन है, इसीलिए आई वॉन्ट ग्लासेस. बिकॉज मैं हमेशा ये सोचती हूँ कि ऑडियंस से जब आप कनेक्ट करो तो आपकी आँखें दिखनी चाहिए ऑडियंस को. एंड मैं डेफिनेटली सॉरी बोलना चाहूँगी बिकॉज देयर इज़ एन इन्फेक्शन एंड दैट्स वाई I had to wear these glasses. So
It suits you.
Thank you. So Princey, to be very honest, एक बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र रहा है जिसमें बहुत ही ups and downs थे. Struggles भी थी, success भी था, failure भी था, and हर चीज़ को एक एक्टर की बात कहूँ तो हर चीज़ को like they say ना, you take it with a pinch of salt. Nothing is permanent out here. The only thing I feel right now is that अगर आप पैशनेट हो, जो मैं हूँ, मेरे क्राफ्ट को लेकर मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैशनेट हूँ. अगर वो पैशन बरकरार है, ओके, देन जनरेशंस आफ्टर जनरेशंस आए जाए, लोग आए जाए, यू नो, बिकॉज यू आर सो पैशनेट अबाउट योर वर्क, you can evolve, you can explore, you can with your perseverance, with your dedication, you can just be around and every generation is going to see that. Like of course in the early 2000s जब मेरी फिल्म आई थी तो तब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, ओके, एंड जैसे बोलो हमारा काम है शिद्दत से काम करना. फिर एक है कि भाई लोग आपको पसंद करें ना करें, आपने अपना काम किया है. And fortunately, very grateful, my audience has always loved me, always loved my work, touch wood. Whether it's films, whether it's my series, whether it's reality shows, they've always loved me. And now with social media, I feel कि जैसे मैंने कहा, एक एक्टर को हमेशा एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए नई नई चीज़ें. एंड आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू बी रेलेवेंट. आई वांट टू, माय ऑडियंस लव्स मी एंड आई वांट टू डेफिनेटली यू नो be in a position where I can not only show my talent on television or you know, with films or whatever, but things like this, they should know me as a person. ओके, एंड मेरी ज़िंदगी हमेशा खुली किताब रही है. लोग जानते हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो किया है. दे ऑल नो माई जर्नी, दे ऑल हैव नोन मी फॉर ईयर्स, एंड that is what is, I would say, very inspiring for me. And that's why I just love to keep going. And जो भी चीज़ें हैं लाइफ में, जो भी वर्क रिलेटेड चीज़ें हैं, एक्सप्लोर, लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, कभी पीछे नहीं हटना, बी विद द टाइम्स. I would really like to tell my contemporaries that be with the time, because अभी की जनरेशन शायद शायद भूल गई हो कि हमने 90s में क्या काम किया था.
That is such a fair point.
Yeah,
Very fair point.
but if you're there, if you're out there and doing what they do, like today, fine, like people say, oh, you're influencing, you become an influencer. So big deal. I mean,
You need
like,
to gel in with.
I am
every
relevant and you're
generation.
not.
yeah, like you need to gel with your audience, you need to be with the times.
जो happy go lucky demeanor है आपका. I see you on your social media and वो हंसता खिलता चेहरा इतना अच्छा लगता है. But मतलब how do you maintain that really? Because
Because I don't take life too seriously, to be very honest.
What is taking life too seriously?
Taking life too seriously मतलब आप हर चीज में आप स्ट्रेस लेते हो, आप टेंशन लेते हो. देखो, जब मैं and to be very honest, be happy with the small joys of life. Be happy doing the little things. Keep life simple. Firstly, keep life very simple. Okay? Automatically आपकी लाइफ से बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें दूर हो जाएगी जब you're keeping life very simple. Keeping life very simple means अब हम एक rat race में हैं. Okay? Say we're talking about social media, we're talking about work, we're talking about anything. There is a rat race, there's too much competition. अगर मैं हमेशा अपने आप को किसी और से कंपेयर करती रहूंगी, मेरी लाइफ में हमेशा स्ट्रेस रहेगा, मेरी लाइफ में हमेशा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस रहेंगे. तुमने ये क्यों जैकेट पहनी है, मुझे तो ये मेरे बॉडी पे तो सूट ही नहीं करेगी. अरे बट जो मेरा बॉडी टाइप है वो तुम्हारा नहीं है, जो मेरे पास है वो तुम्हारे पास नहीं है. राइट? सो इट इज ऑलवेज, अगर मैं सोचूं कि यार हम 90s से काम कर रहे हैं, आज के बच्चे कितना अच्छा दे हैव दिस एक्सपोजर, दे हैव सो मच एक्सपोजर, दे हैव सोशल मीडिया, दे हैव पैप्स, दिस दैट, फलाना ढिमका. हमने जो कर लिया वो कर लिया ना, हमने भी अच्छा काम किया. नाउ इफ यू कीप competing at 53, if I'm comparing myself to a 23-year-old, I'm never going to reach there. So gratitude, compassion, kindness towards yourself, that is leading a simple life. जब आप आपके बुजुर्ग लोगों से, मम्मा से, आपके relatives से, who are older, they are आपके घर के जो बड़े हैं, उनसे जब बात करो तो आपको रियलाइज होता है कितनी सिंपल लाइफ उन्होंने जी है एंड कितने खुश थे with their minimalistic means. Right? When I talk to my mom and when I ask her ke mama, you know what, my friend she's going through depression. And then she'll say, अरे यार ये सारे वर्ड्स आज के जमाने के हैं. डिप्रेशन, आप लोगों ने तो मालूम भी नहीं होता શું डिप्रेशन છે. तन बच्चा पालिया એટલું કર્યું. She literally talk like maybe they also underwent all this, they also went through all this, but there was probably no time to even sit back and think कि हम क्या sad है, depressed है.
There were some words that you used in your answer. Simplicity, compassion. ये कुछ words हैं जो आप पर्सी सर से भी एसोसिएट करते हैं. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि आपने कहा कि हम लोग एक बहुत मतलब शैलो तरीके से लाइफ को देख रहे हैं. हम लोग छोटे जो प्लेजर्स हैं लाइफ के, छोटे जॉयज़ एंजॉय नहीं करते. क्या जिस सराउंडिंग में आप रहते हैं, एक्टर्स who unfortunately gratification, validation become a part of their life. वो कहीं ना कहीं मिस आउट करते हैं, and that is why you picked a partner like Percy, because you saw the real human in him.
Yes. Percy came into my life when I was shattered. Because obviously, you know, it's not all said and done. I'm also human. आप एक situation में जब situation fresh होती है, तो obviously you're going to come out of it, definitely. I knew I will come out of it, but I was blessed. God gave me this angel at the right time. I got that strength from a man who was as simple as me.
Why do actors?
उसको ये परवाह नहीं थी, उसको डेलनास पसंद थी, उसको डेलनास द एक्टर से मतलब नहीं था. That's why Percy becomes more special for me. I had everything going. I had a settled life. I had a house. You know, I had my luxury cars. I had everything going. I was set. उतनी इंडस्ट्री में भगवान की दया से उतना नाम भी था जो लोग पहचानते थे. Everything. I was just out of a fabulous show called Big Boss. उस जमाने का बिग बॉस, जब बिग बॉस हुआ करता था. So I mean, you know, I had everything going, but I saw a man who was very kind, very compassionate, very simple, coming from a household who, मतलब मैं बोलूँ कि ये ब्लैक है तो ब्लैक है, ये वाइट है तो वाइट है, you know, it's ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं सिंपल, अपनी दुनिया में, अपने एक जहान में मस्त. वैसा वो बंदा था, एंड उसको कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं बाजू में से एक सुपरस्टार निकल जाए, उसको कोई ओके, मैं मेरी दुनिया में मस्त हूं. यू नो,
You mentioned about Big Boss. तो आपने कहा आज बिग बॉस वो नहीं है जो उस टाइम हुआ करता था. ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो?
आप भी आपके सवाल का जवाब आपके पास है.
I know, but I want to hear it from you.
Yeah, because it's not the same, right? It's not the same. It's so cliche now that you know who's going to do what. So I was watching a podcast with Bharti and Harsh and Karan, apna Karan Patel. He said a very nice thing. He said, मुझे नहीं देखना मेरा भाजी वाला क्या कर रहा है, मेरा मालिश वाला क्या कर रहा है. I want to see the real stars. I want to see celebrities on the show. And the show started. That's the format. That's the whole concept. कि आपको ऑडियंस को ये देखना है कि ये सेलिब्रिटी कैसे बिहेव करता है एक दूसरे सेलिब्रिटी के साथ या लोगों के साथ या व्हाटएवर. सो इनिशियली हमारे सीजन में एक कॉमनर था. देन it just became like a market, यार.
I believe the inception of reality shows इसीलिए हुआ था कि हम कुछ भी कह लो, टीवी सीरियल से हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड रहते हैं कि हमें जानना है कि ये कैरेक्टर असल में कैसे है.
Exactly. So the fun was how would Delnaz and Urvashi and Ashka and Rajesh and our season was filled with TV faces, models भी थे, you know, लोग थे, but अपनी अपनी फील्ड में सिद्धू जी was there, you know, such a big cricketer, such a big, you know, he was a politician at that time and whatever. So मतलब एक bunch of faces you want to see. So I just feel that, you know, like it's not the same. It's not what it used to be. एक आप झगड़ा भी करो तो इज्जत होती थी, यू नो, एक you wouldn't do things like how it's happening today or in the recent seasons जो हमने देखा है. गाली गलोच, माँ बाप पे जाना, खानदान पे जाना, इस पे जाना, उस पे जाना, what यार. And Big Boss is such a big reality show where the entire family would want to sit together and watch, right?
अभी मतलब हाउ डू यू सी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ टीवी चेंजिंग? मतलब जैसे अनुपमा हैज़ गॉन थ्रू द रूफ्स, ऐसा क्या अनुपमा ने पकड़ा उस सीरियल ने जो काफ़ी सारे लोग नहीं कर पाए, एंड देन अ लॉट ऑफ आवर
I think, yes,
most of our dear shows did not really see the day of light.
the real woman. Anupama is the real woman. I have watched the show because she's a very, very, very dear friend of mine. For years we've been friends. It's not because Rupali is playing the role, but it's because there is a chord, there is a connect with the audience. And the performances are superlative. Superlative. It's not only Rupali, it's everybody. The casting is superlative, the performances are superlative, it's written very well, it's directed very well, and the cherry on the cake is nobody has become complacent after 5.5 years also. एंड ये बात मैं हमेशा रूपाली को मैसेज में लिखती हूँ कि भाई तू 5 साल के बाद भी कैरेक्टर कितना पकड़ के रखी है.
What's the difference between theatre acting and camera acting? Because उसमें आपको retakes मिलते हैं और
मेरे हिसाब से me as an actor, the most important thing is I am passionate about acting. Whether I'm on stage or whether I'm in front of the camera or whether I'm doing movies or just a short film, it doesn't matter. What matters is I am acting. My craft. Theatre, of course, you get the audience reaction, which is immediate. The audience reaction, which is like आपने एक कुछ किया और आपको तालियां मिली और आपको whistles मिली और आपको people are rooting for you. That is your, you don't have to wait Friday to Friday, or you don't have to wait for the serial to come on air, or you don't have to wait for कि हाँ जब audience reaction आएगी. So जो मज़ा स्टेज पे है वो यही है कि आपको ऑडियंस रिएक्शन इमीडिएटली मिलती है.
Have you experimented with method acting? Like have you tried it? And जितनी बातें होती है इंटरव्यूज में मैं एक्टर्स को सुनती हूँ, इज इट रियली दैट रियल?
क्या सुनते हो एक्टर्स से?
जैसे रणवीर सिंह का हम काफ़ी सुनते हैं मेथड एक्टिंग का, कि ही लॉक्स हिमसेल्फ इन द रूम. जैसे जब खिलजी का रोल उन्होंने किया था तो उन्होंने लिटरली खुद को रूम में बंद किया, और तो मुझे थोड़ा सा फैसिनेटिंग लगा कि क्या आप अगर मेंटली खुद को ट्रेन करें तो आप एक्चुअली उस शूज़ में स्टेप इन.
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है. आई विल नॉट लाई, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टर. सो मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगी कि नहीं. कि ऐसा कुछ, अगर ऐसा कुछ रोल हो तो मैं अपनी विजन से, अपनी समझ से, अपने स्पॉन्टेनिटी से, अपने इम्पल्सिवनेस में वो रोल कर भी जाऊं. लेकिन ये मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया. तो आई कैनॉट से राइट नाउ दैट what would it be like, but I would love to try something like this. Yeah,
that's really good. एक थोड़ा सा I'm just tracking back to the conversation we had about you and your partner.
Yeah.
So मुझे जानना था कि you said a beautiful statement in one of your interviews, which is that whenever I introduce him, I still introduce him as my husband.
Yeah.
जबकि आप लोग legally उस marriage के bondage में नहीं है. तो मुझे जनरली जानना है कि क्या वेट होता है उस एक सिग्नेचर का, उस एक पेपर का आपकी लाइफ में, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ यू हैव कम फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंसेस, फेल्ड मैरिज वाला एक्सपीरियंस है, तो क्या वो थोड़ा सा ट्रॉमा सीप इन करता है, या फिर इन जनरल कभी कभार रिश्तों को जैसे हैं वैसे ही छोड़ देना सही है.
Again, coming back to my statement, make life simple, don't add complications. इतना क्यों सोच रहे हो? आप भी और मैं भी, इतना क्यों सोचना? दो इंसान मिले जिनकी लाइफ उस समय, उस वक्त जब वो मिले, वो भी हिला हुआ था, मैं भी हिली हुई थी. शायद भगवान चाहते थे, ऊपर वाला चाहता था कि हम मिले, we become each other's support system, which actually happened, to be very honest. Okay? We literally grew with each other, thinking that, you know, the love grew, the caring, the understanding. And मैं हमेशा से ये सोचती थी कि पर्सी इतने अच्छे इंसान हैं कि मैं उनको क्या नाम दूं? Boyfriend would be an insult. Really, it would be an insult. I went through a phase in my life, and he also went through a phase in his life. And I feel that when we both are here for a purpose, you know, to spend the rest of our lives together, मुझे ये रिश्ते को कोई नाम देना ही नहीं था. मुझे ये बहुत ही इफ आई कैन यूज वन वर्ड ना, ये मैंने पर्सी के साथ महसूस किया है. पायस. एंड आई वुड वांट हिम टू कम इवन इन माय नेक्स्ट बर्थ एज anything, my son, my daughter, my mother, my father. I want Percy in all my lives.
Does a fractured marriage bring in fear?
Of course.
Because
Of course. So initially, it was not so simple. Because emotionally, somewhere you're broken, right? Somewhere you're shattered. So you definitely come out of a situation, but because you have given your more than your 1000%, 100%, जो भी आप बोलो, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप ह्यूमन हो यार. आपको दुख होगा, आप 100 बार सोचोगे.
जैसे हम लोग 20 से 25 साल के यूथ और हमारा ऑडियंस भी काफ़ी उस जनरेशन से है. सो आई वांट टू नो कि कैसे इंटीमेसी और कंपेनियनशिप की डेफिनेशन और जो एक स्टैंडर्ड्स होते हैं ना, कि जैसे मैं आज मेरे पार्टनर में क्या देखूंगी वर्सेस आप आज एक पार्टनर में क्या देख रहे हैं, हाउ डज दैट इवॉल्व, व्हाट हैज़ चेंज्ड फॉर यू?
To be very honest, like the intimacy that you're talking about, of course, it's very important.
Nobody talks about it. मतलब जब 50 प्लस वाला जनरेशन है.
Yeah, so it goes out of the window. Once you are married, you start a life, the physical aspect is the last thing that you will think of. Halaki, it is important. Please don't get me wrong. It is important for the relationship to be strong or whatever. But usually क्या होता है कि today I am a 53-year-old woman. For me, what is important is the compassion, the kindness, the care, the understanding, the companionship, the togetherness, to just cuddle up with each other and watch a series on TV, to just cuddle up like two teddy bears and just sit and talk, to just quietly, he's there and I'm here, and just we're doing our own thing. Just that also, the silence also is love. So प्यार की परिभाषा और प्यार का डेफिनेशन हर किसी के लिए अलग अलग होता है, और आई थिंक हर स्टेज पे अलग अलग होता है. टुडे, लाइक यू सेड, फॉर kids like you who are 20, 25, it's all mushy, it's all like run and meet him and then, you know, hold hands and kiss and whatever.
Which is also cute.
Which is very cute. Which is very cute. Which is very cute and which is very important. Because if you don't show that physical intimacy, it's somewhere incomplete then. So I am saying everything changes with time. But everything, I would still say, should be balanced. Just because I'm 50 does not mean that I don't need to hug my partner.
लड़ते झगड़ते हो आप लाइक प्रॉपर
तुमने थम्स अप क्यों पिया खाने के बाद? तुम यू नो तुमने ऐसे गंदे कपड़े बिस्तर पे क्यों रख दिए?
Basic fights.
या देन he'll say अरे तुमने बाथरूम में स्विच ऑन करके क्यों रख दी? फिर तुम मुझे बोलती हो कि तूने. So it's very cute, nothing major, all the cute no jokes that happen, touch wood.
I believe मतलब being in Indian society and predominantly ऐसे मानते हैं कि एक marriage या फिर एक partner के साथ आप रह रहे हैं तो a very important part is children also, like that's what
Yeah.
conditioning हमारी वैसे ही हुई है. But I heard you say somewhere that it's too late for me to have kids.
Yeah.
But there is always an option of adoption and always.
We've spoken about it. So, so of course it was never like no kids, but unfortunately, मेरी first marriage में there were no kids. By the time I met Percy, I was 41. Okay, it's not like we couldn't, but by the time we got to know each other and we came together like as a couple, we were quite lost, you know. Our bearings had to be, you know, brought back, the foundation and everything. By then it was too late, physically also. And we have spoken about adoption. At one point I was very keen and Percy was not. So I had to respect my partner's decision as well. Okay? He's never said no to me. Never, ever. For anything. Of course, he was, as when we met, he was the one to say marriage. Everywhere we went, it was like he wants to get married. And marriage, obviously, with kids, you know, whatever. But then we realized that, nahi, you know, we are better off this way.
आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि आपको मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है जनरली कि आई डोंट सी एनी डिफरेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ टैलेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू नीना गुप्ता और रत्ना पाठक शाह एंड यू ऑल ऑफ यू हैव कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी सिमिलर हैव हैड अ सिमिलर जर्नी.
Yeah.
क्या डिफरेंस है बिकॉज नाउ यू सी कि नीना गुप्ता इज शी इज बिकम दैट फेस.
Yeah.
Is it something which has got to do with the industry? Is it something that has got to do with the way you position yourself? क्या है मतलब या फिर do you still have hopes? Do you still are constantly looking for those kind of roles?
Of course, I'm looking for those kind of roles. Of course, I have no qualms about saying कि मुझे अच्छे roles चाहिए, अच्छी films करनी है, because I've done quite a few films. The other day I was actually like just, you know,
Absolutely,
looking
yes,
at the list of the films that I've done, and it's about 18-19 films that I've done अभी तक. तो मतलब देखो एक part of me is saying that I'm very happy, I'm very content, and I'm very grateful for this journey. Because देखो, I come from a very simple Parsi background. ठीक है, जहाँ कोई नामो निशानी नहीं था. एक्टिंग, एक्टर, कौन क्या, एक्टिंग क्या प्रोफेशन होता है, इस तरीके से बात होती थी. डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो, लॉयर बनो, यू नो, दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. एक्टर क्या है? So from there, and even the industry's perception about a Parsi girl or a Parsi actor, you know, कि भाई हाँ स्वीट लगेगी, गोरी चिट्टी है, यू नो, प्लम्प है, अच्छी, यू नो, मॉडर्न. एंड लैंग्वेज हिंदी बोल पाएगी क्या? क्योंकि पारसीज वर ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड एज कैरिकेचर्स इन फिल्म्स.
Very few films
Parsi-
do justice to
या सो पारसी बैकग्राउंड पे अगर आप फिल्म बना रहे हो वो अलग है. वो एक या दो फिल्म्स ऐसी बनी है, यू नो, एज कंपेयर टू फिल्म्स वेर इन पारसीज आर शोन लाइक वो ट्रेडिशनल वाइट कपड़े पहन के, वो टोपा पहन के, एंड That is a very traditional outfit. We don't dress up like this. And mind you, my Hindi is far better than a lot of other people who speak Hindi, you know. So, excuse me, but I made a conscious decision that I will not do Parsi caricatures in films or in in TV or wherever. Because we were just reduced to, you know, फिल्म चल रही है, आप आके आप एक जोक मार के निकल जाओ. सो वैसा काम नहीं करना था और कॉन्शियसली वैसा काम नहीं किया और वैसा काम मिला भी नहीं. आई गॉट roles that did justice to my personality and my comic craft, my timing, which was so appreciated by my audience. So yes, comedy mila, and I've been doing a lot of comedy since my 90s, and that's why I'm very grateful. When I say yes, I'm very grateful for the journey, because like I said, people would have thought of me as a very limited, like कि पारसी है, पारसी लैंग्वेज में ही लेते हैं पारसी, बट वैसा नहीं मिला और वैसा नहीं किया और बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई वुड डेफिनेटली एट दिस स्टेज एंड एज, आई वुड वांट टू probably do what a Neena ji is doing, or a Supriya Pathak is doing, or a Ratna Pathak is doing, or a, all these actors. So definitely as an actor, who wouldn't want that?
Do you wish to try stand up one day?
क्योंकि कॉमेडी
Because comic timing की आपने बात करी and मुझे directly picture आया of you on a stage.
So to be very honest, try तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन I love being on stage with my plays. To be honest, मुझे roles करना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे उस तरीके से ऑडियंस से इंटरेक्ट करना अच्छा लगता है.
Through a character.
Through a character.
You have worked in both TV और movies, दोनों में ही काम कर रहा है. But you know, I've seen this a lot, and Vikrant Massey and Lakshya has also pointed it out, that it's a very bold decision to leave TV industry once you are in it. क्योंकि आप वो छोड़ते हो, that means, क्योंकि if you are a renowned name in TV industry, you get a lot of money.
Yeah.
But movie की तरह transition करने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा bold decision कहा जाता है.
Yeah.
So how were you able to, like, did you get roles सीधा ही, and did you audition?
Of course I auditioned. Of course I auditioned. So Kal Ho Na Ho was my first film. And I believe there were a lot of auditions taken. बहुत सारी लड़कियों को पूछा गया था and stuff like that. But बहुत सारे auditions दिए गए थे. And I believe Nikhil, the director, Nikhil Advani, he saw my show Yes Boss. And then I was called. And then I gave the audition. I gave 2 auditions, in fact. And then I was cast. So I have said it in the first part of our interview that acting is important. The medium is not important for me. So when you say that it's a transition, there is no transition. In my life, there is no transition. जो मेरे से अच्छा रोल करवाएगा, वो मेरे लिए भगवान मालिक. So and you won't believe it. Okay, you won't believe this when I'm saying this. I got my part. I was Sweetu of Kal Ho Na Ho. We were, जैसे discussions होते हैं, कपड़े, ये वो dates वगैरह वगैरह. So having to know that it's such a huge star cast. I was the smallest fry. I was not the youngest because there were 2 kids, but it was my first film. I was a newcomer in films. And I was the smallest fry. There was a Dara Singh, there was a Shoma Anand, there was a Sushma Seth, a Reema Lagu, a Jaya Ji, Jaya Bachchan, there was Saif, there was Preeti, there was Shah Rukh. And in that, I'm telling Nikhil Advani कि मेरी तो Yes Boss की dates है and they're clashing.
अरे बाप रे.
So he was like, are you like serious? Delnaz, you know how big this film is?
पर यही तो सिखाता है ना कि कमिटमेंट
So,
क्या वैल्यू है.
मेरे लिए कल होना हो, यस बॉस, 1-2 और सीरियल्स कर रही थी और थिएटर भी कर रही. सारी चीजें मेरे लिए इक्वल थी. Yes, I knew that this is here. I knew it. That Kal Ho Na Ho had a Shah Rukh, had a Preeti, had a Saif, it was the turning point of my life. And I will always be very grateful to everybody who got me to play Sweetu. Very, very grateful. But for me as a person, that was my schooling. कि हर चीज को इज्जत देनी है भाई, हर काम को इज्जत देनी है. And that's why those words came out of my mouth. And then I said, okay, sir, I know how big is the film. I will talk to my director of Yes Boss and I'll get my dates. And that's how I got 36 or 40 days in New York. I missed a schedule of Yes Boss and I was like, अरे यार, मेरा schedule.
I see that you are a very optimistic person. मैं बार-बार बोलने की कोशिश कर रही थी ये. But you have had your moments where you were shattered. How do you deal with loss of life? With your father or with your teacher, Vinyal Contractor, if I'm not wrong. You wrote about him.
Yeah.
How do you, मतलब इतना हंसता खेलता चेहरा.
Yeah, so it's a part and parcel, right? I mean, we all have to go one day. And yes, loss of my dad was a big setback for me because he loved me to bits and I loved my father to bits, you know. So, loss of my dad, and at a time when I was going through my divorce. So everything just looked like everything is just crumbling. But then pick up the pieces and join them and get up. That has always been my motto. Because my father would always be happy seeing me happy. And that's why I always say that उनका हाथ और उनका आशीर्वाद पर्सी और मुझ पे हमेशा है. Because he would not want me sad ever. And that's why I made sure that yes, setbacks हुए हैं life में, but enough.
Did astrology and all these things which you said you believe in help you come out of?
See, the person that I am, like I always, like you saying yes, positive and all that. So I think it was me. It was me who क्यों मैं हमेशा मानती हूँ कि आप ही खुद को हेल्प कर सकते हो. You can take external help, but you can help your own self. If you can't do things for your own self, nobody can. Nobody will. एक आपको friends का support मिलेगा, family का support मिलेगा, but ultimately, if you don't want to, you want to keep suffering, you want to be sad, you want to keep yourself down, वो ही होगा. But the minute you say कि नहीं, I need to help myself, I need to go, and then automatically you can get people to help you. Astrology and all is just a part of that. आप खुद की मदद करो, लोग आपको आराम से मदद देंगे. आप अगर खुद ही ऐसे हो कि नहीं यार, in a closed shell, or you don't want, You don't want to improve the situation.
बडी कैन हेल्प यू। आप हमेशा से एक आउटलायर रही हैं, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मैं जर्नलिज्म मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में आई तो आई थिंक यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग देख रहे होंगे वो रिलेट कर पाएंगे इस एक्सपीरियंस से कि हु यू आर एज अ पर्सन फ्रॉम फाउंडेशन, यू स्टार्ट शेडिंग दोज पीसेज अवे, बिकॉज मे बी कभी कभार फोमो होता है, कभी कभार इट इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट सॉर्ट ऑफ फिटिंग इन टू द, and that is why I would like to bring up the point of smoking. You've never, because media industry mein smoking is a very common phenomenon, but you're like known for not smoking, you haven't smoked before. तो वो foundation कितना strong था? How's your parenting? Why did it not come naturally to you? और कभी कोई force किया है into doing wrong things which did not?
No. I've never had such friends. Even if friends were into drinking or smoking, I've never had that kind of a company where अरे ले लेना, try कर लेना, ये हो जाएगा, वो nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing. See, I don't. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but I don't like it. Anything which is intoxicating to a point where that thing is ruling you, I just stay away from it. All that I'm crazy about is my work and Percy and my family and my life. I cannot waste time in all this. And I'm such a fun person that मैं सोचती हूँ कि लाइफ में बहुत ऐसी सारी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ आपको बहुत बहुत मज़ा मिल सकता है, with friends, with family, dinners. I love my food. I love my clothes. I love dressing up. I love makeup. I'm crazy about vanity. All that is great. But all these things, किस लिए? So पहले से ही I was not fond of drinking or smoking. वो सवाल ही नहीं उठता.
Which is very nice because I see वही उतना ही I think strong foothold लेकर लोग आते हैं और वो बह जाते हैं उस चीज़ में.
तो बहना नहीं चाहिए.
जैसे आप बोल रहे हो आपकी लाइफ में
I have seen of people who have come very simple and who have just gone into addiction of things just being in the industry. कि सामने वाला कर रहा है तो चलो मैं भी एक स्मोक कर लूँ या ड्रिंक कर लूँ या you know, but you need to be intelligent enough, you need to be wise enough to know when to stop, even if you're doing it socially. It's not, I'm nobody to say right or wrong कि क्या गलत है क्या सही है, but even if you're doing it socially, it's fine, but you need to know where you need to draw your line.
So after working for 3 decades in the film industry and the TV industry, I think ये एक हमारे लिए बहुत एक enriching experience था, क्योंकि हमें ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी था कि आर्टिस्ट में, क्योंकि हमने जिनसे भी पूछा स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर से, यही बोला कि अंदर एक कॉलिंग रहती है. And that is the exact same thing which you started also. I had this calling. And I think everyone who aspires to be an actor should listen to that calling and intuition.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming on the podcast. We loved it.
Thank you, dear.
I hope you also enjoyed the conversation.
Yes, I enjoyed a lot. Princey and Pritha, right? Pritha. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.